Hi everyone. Welcome to our daily phrase series. Today's phrase is break the ice. Break the ice means to start a conversation in a social situation where people are a bit shy or hesitant to talk. Pronunciation: break the ice. Break the ice. Break the ice. For example, I was nervous at the party, but telling a joke helped me break the ice. When I realized no one was talking at the party, I decided to break the ice by introducing myself and telling a funny story. To break the ice at the beginning of the business meeting, the manager suggested we all share a fun fact about ourselves. To break the ice at the beginning of the business meeting, the manager suggested we all share a fun fact about ourselves. On the first day of class, the teacher broke the ice by having everyone participate in a group activity. I was nervous meeting my friends' friends for the first time, but a quick joke helped to break the ice. Try using break the ice in a sentence today. Comment below with your sentences and I'll check them. That's it for today. Stay tuned for our next daily phrase. Happy learning.